Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'm teaching you how to make a restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and do not miss out in a minute. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm showing you guys how to make chicken and shrimp Alfredo. And that's what we're going to be doing today. Alright, we're going to need some olive oil. We're going to need some wine. This is white wine right here. Oak leaf or whatever kind of white wine you want to use. I have some Alfredo. This is a classic cheese right here. And this is 4 cheeses. So I think I got 2 of those. They didn't have the other one, so you know, it happens. Anyway, but it's still going to be delicious. This is fettuccine. Got some ham, got some shrimp, and we got some chicken with some Parmesan, Romano, and Asiago cheese right here. Alright, you're going to need some Old Bay seasoning. You're going to also need some Creole seasoning. This is by Veterans. You're going to need some adobo. And some black pepper. And we're going to go ahead and get started with this stuff. I'm quite sure there's some other stuff that's missing. But this is what you are. I'm going to use some frozen peas as well. Alright? So guys, stay tuned in. I'm going to go ahead and wash this stuff up and we'll get this stuff prepped up in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Got my shrimps washed up and my chicken washed up. My shrimp, I'm going in here with some of this black pepper. About half a teaspoon of that. Half a teaspoon of this goya. Half a teaspoon of the Creole seasoning. And a half a teaspoon of Old Bay. But that's about all I got in there. Alright. We're going to mix this up with our hands. Alright. I think that should be good enough. That's what we're working with. Alright. So now we got to wash our hands again. Alright. Here's the chicken. We're just going to take this chicken and we're just going to cut it up in cubes. Like so. Just like that, guys. I do one and I finish the rest off camera for you guys. You want bigger pieces, then cut it in bigger pieces, okay? Alright, now we're going to bring these together like this. Cube them up. That's right. Chicken and shrimp Alfredo. Alright. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut up the rest of these and I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's the chicken. It's already been diced up. We're going to come in here with a tablespoon or a teaspoon and a half of this goya because it's more of the chicken. Come in here with like a teaspoon of black pepper. A teaspoon of cayenne. Creole, Veterans. I don't have it. I ran out of it. So let's see. That should be good enough. So we're just gonna mix this up. It should be good enough. Now I wanted to put some of the Old Bay on it, but it should be good enough. All right. So we're just mixing it up, guys, just like this. And we're gonna cook this chicken first. Then we're gonna cook our shrimps. Okay? So that's how you want it to look. Just like that. Wash my hands up again. Alright guys, I'm gonna see you guys over there. We're gonna start cooking on the chicken, then we're gonna go to our shrimps. Then we're gonna like combine them together, and then we're gonna put some wine and all that good stuff in there with our ham pieces and stuff. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We're just gonna go ahead and put some olive oil in here. If you want to, you can put your little butter in there. I will put a little bit in mine. About a teaspoon of that. Melt that down a little bit. Stir it a little bit here. You guys wondering like, where you get that pan from? I don't really use this pan very often, but I got a lot to make, so that's what we want to do. We're just gonna put this in here. On medium. And the trick to this is we're gonna cook it till it's all the way done. We're just gonna cook it till it's like looking close to being done. So we gotta use that wine. Now I do want to add one more seasoning to this that I didn't add, so you guys just bear with me. It's granulated garlic. I'm going to sprinkle a little of that on there. Just like that. Okay guys, I'm going to be cooking this for probably about 3 or 4 minutes. Then I'm going to take this out and we're going to get started on our shrimp. Alright guys, see you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Show you guys what that looks like. Okay, it's not all the way done, but I don't want it all the way done. So I'm going to take this out, like tilt it like this so none of that oil won't get in it. I'm going to use that same oil to mess with these shrimp. We're going to go ahead and put these shrimp in here. A good chef, a good cook, always guys, wash your hands. So we're just going to let these sit in here. That's it. Like that, put a little bit of garlic on this as well. Just a little bit. Alright, that's it. Now, if we got some garlic paste, that would be cool too. Alright, turning this. I will get fancy on the guys and start flipping it and all that stuff. Just get it right here. Like that. Alright, that's what we're going to do. I just want to get my ham. Like that. I'll have to put the rest in. I ain't got no more. Alright. Tie that up in there. Alright. Come back in with our chicken. We used to make this to order. For some of you P-Town people, you know what I'm talking about. When I said VSOP, the knocking old place. Yes, I used to work there too. So okay, that's going. Let me come in here, get my peas. And leave the peas just for some of that stuff. Okay. Some of our wine, a cup of that wine. We're going to turn that up, so we're going to reduce that. Then we're going to put our sauce in there. So when it's reduced, I'm going to come back and show you guys the sauce. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. That's enough for the reducer. I'm going to go ahead and put this sauce in here. Stir that up a little bit. Let's finish cooking up. Pick up some Parmesan cheese. Like that. Frozen peas. Stir this up in there. We're going to let this cook, guys, for about 20 minutes on medium. I got my water going here. I'm going to put some sea salt in there, like half a teaspoon. This stuff goes a long way, you guys. You can throw your little olive oil in that. Just so our noodle won't stick to it. Alright. Put our noodles. Just like that. I'm going to let that cook. Stir this up a little bit. Make sure this get moved around in here. We're going to let this cook for about 15 minutes, about 15 to 16 minutes. I say roughly about 16 minutes. And we're going to put this stuff together. And I'll see you guys then in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. There it is. Right there. Chicken and shrimp. Chicken and shrimp Alfredo with homemade biscuits. So do go check out that, because I did make those also. Alright. Put that down. That's a little heavy. So guys, please give me a like, a share, and subscribe to the channel. And yes, hit that bell so you too can be notified when I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Let's get cooking.